So that's what we were talking about yesterday when we seen it had that little pump there. And what we were talking about, what it had to do, if we isolate a little bit closer, as we isolate a little bit closer, is this has to hold that 200 day and has to hold this 19,184.82 in order to maintain its bullish action from its move right here. You can see that's where we had that little pump. And this is where we're trying to hold on any kind of fall down. You want to hold that 19,182 and you want to hold that 200-day moving average right here to try to get some momentum, to try to get some volume, to try to get some positive things going on in the price action as we're forming sort of this rounding bottom, which leads you to believe after a lot of consolidation and support there that this may in fact come up to this 28,177.33, but underneath is a major critical area at 16,658.11 as that's a major capitulation zone in the price of Bitcoin if you did break that, which would break if we snuck over here a nearly June low when we had the great flush. And if you break that 16,058.11, you're coming down here close to our, and probably exceeding our 13,336 Bitcoin price. Prediction was made when the price was at 63,336 and rising. And just as a reference point for all my new people on here, hit that subscribe button, the bell notification, and the like button to push us through the YouTube algorithm so Vincenzo can educate and most importantly inform the retail trader and all the latest breaking news in stocks, gold, silver, Bitcoin, crypto, economic news, and financial laws that you need to know. And that price that we just looked at was made when the Bitcoin price was topping out up here. I believe the first one when we started talking about a double top was here, because that's where I thought it was going to get topped out. And then it came down a big flush and then it came up. But we started making that prediction as we got even more confident as the price was getting up into here, the 63,000 ish area. When we started to top out, we seen a classic double top after we had this breakdown. We had this brief new high here, and then we quickly sold off, and then we hit another all-time high right after, and then we reversed to the downside in a ferocious fashion. And we were warning the whole way this was a bear market rally. The bear market started when we broke out of this topping pattern, which is a uptrending upper resistance, uptrending lower support, right? It forms a duck's beak, and it's on a vertical or horizontal uptrending facing 90-degree angle, uptrending, right? And it forms like that duck beak. And that is a bearish continuation pattern, a bullish continuation pattern, but a bearish reversal pattern as the pattern exhausts itself. And we said as soon as it broke that area, and that's why we've had it circled, but now we need to change our color scheme, that as soon as it broke that area, the price was going to come down and the bear market was going to ensue. And Mark Zelinsky is going to take his daily shit in the porta potty. But that's how we knew that the price was going to become a bear market as soon as we broke that. That's why we wrote that. That's why we have that circled still up there. And then it formed a mountain double top. And what a mountain double top is top one, top two in this technical analysis. And you do a targeted move by going from the top of the double top to the neckline, which happens to be down here at the red support zone. You bring it to the point of a breakout, and you can see how that gets you all the way down here to that technical target that old Vincenzo's had since last year in early spring, in midsummer, as we made that double top and ferocious bear market rally. But we did enter that multi-year bear market on that first run down before the second big pump that got you to a new all-time high, right? Like, subscribe, and share. Peace and love.